Hi guys, today we are making this delicious Banting friendly strawberry mousse dessert. So to get started, we are going to make our gelatin mixture, and to a bowl I am adding 2 tablespoons of cold water. Next I am going to take a tablespoon of gelatin and just sprinkle that over the water. So now we are going to just mix this nicely together. There we go. And next I'm adding 3 tablespoons of boiling water. What we want to do is just mix all of it through until we get a nice gel consistency like this. So we're going to set this aside and make our strawberry syrup in the meantime. This is a punnet of chopped strawberries. It's 250 grams, and we are going to put that on a low to medium heat with 1/3 of a cup of xylitol and also 1/8 of a teaspoon of stevia. It's a very small quantity, but trust me, it makes a difference. So we're just going to give that a stir, and you can add about a tablespoon of water at this point if you want to avoid the mixture from getting stuck to the bottom of the saucepan. So we're just going to cook that on a low to medium heat until the strawberries have cooked down and become nice and glazed and syrupy like this. And we are going to set that aside to cool down a bit before doing this step so that you don't burn. Once it has cooled down, you just want to pour the mixture through a sieve, and we are going to get rid of any lumps and bumps and seeds so we have a nice smooth mousse. Next we are going to add our gelatin mixture to the strawberry mixture, and we're just going to give that a good stir so that the two are well combined. Okay, and we're just going to set this aside to cool down, and in the meantime I am going to take 1 cup of fresh cream and add this to my mixer. Okay, we're just going to beat that until it's nice and fluffy. And to that we are adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And at this point our strawberry mixture is cooled down, and we are going to add this to our fresh cream. So we are just going to add a spoonful or 2 at a time, and then incorporate this into our fresh cream by folding it in just a little bit at a time until everything is combined. Once we are done, we can pipe this into some glasses or some bowls, whichever way you prefer. And I'm going to be topping mine with some fresh strawberries. Allow this to sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving, or even better, overnight. This is perfect for special occasions like Valentines, or just doing something special for yourself. Enjoy!